Okay, so hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to discuss a very cool trick to learn the Maxwell equations. Now what are the Maxwell equations? See, now here we can see the Maxwell equations. We have four relations, okay? We have four Maxwell relations. See, these Maxwell relations are not only important in the chemistry point of view, these plays a very important role in physics also. Many times questions are directly asked from this topic. So for those students who want to score perfect scores, for them this video is perfect. Okay, now let us start our video. How to remember these Maxwell relations? I have a simple trick for you. The simple trick is simple perfect trick video. This is your trick. See, the title of the video is somewhat similar to my trick. Okay, what I told you, I'll be giving you a simple trick. Okay, now the trick itself is simple perfect trick video. Now how this becomes a trick? Focus on the first letters. Focus on the first letters. From S, write S, P, write P, T and V. From S we have gives free energy. Okay, then next P we have pressure, T temperature, V volume. Now what we have to do is, listen to me carefully. Now the main content I am starting. Now first focus on this S. How we have to write this S is, first alternatively we have to write first in numerator then denominator, numerator denominator. Okay, how we have to write? Delta S first in numerator, then delta S in denominator, then again first delta S in numerator, delta S in denominator. Very simple, right? So simple, no need to get tensed. First numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Now what we are left with? We are left with P, T and V. We are left with P, T and V along with S. Now first alternatively again what we have to do is, first we have to write in clockwise direction these four alphabets. Next we have to write in anti-clockwise direction. See, already we have written S. Now what we are left with? P, T and V. How I told you, first we have to go clockwise, then we have to go anti-clockwise. Now start. Delta S over. Now delta P. Clockwise, I am coming clockwise direction. I am coming clockwise direction. Okay, delta S over, delta P over. After P we have delta T. Then we have delta V. Finished. Very simple. We have gone clockwise direction. Now we have to go anti-clockwise direction. Delta S is finished. Next delta P. We are going anti-clockwise direction. See the direction. Okay. Next delta T. Next delta V. Now again clockwise. First we finished clockwise. Next anti-clockwise. Again clockwise. At last anti-clockwise. Now clockwise. Clockwise we have to go. Delta is finished. Now delta P. Clockwise delta T. Last delta V. Here again we have to go anti-clockwise direction. Delta S we have finished. What we are left with? Tell me what we are left with? Delta P. Again delta T. At last delta V. Alright, so this is first part of the trick. Now do one thing, add negative to second and third. Negative to second and third. Now the last part of the trick, we have to add some constants. We have to add some constants to all these quantities. Now what are the constants we have to add? Listen to me carefully. Whatever the letter you have in the denominator, write that letter on the right side. Okay, on the left side denominator, whatever we have the letter, write that in the right side. Here we have V, so write V here. On the right side denominator, whatever we have the letter, write that in left side denominator. Okay, left side part. Very simple, no need to get tensed. See here, on the left side denominator we have S, so write that in right side. On the right side we have P, write that in left side. On the left side we have V in the denominator. Okay, write V in the right side denominator. On the right side denominator what we have? T, so write T. Don't get confused by my words. My words might be seeming confusing to you. Very simple. See, whatever we have in the left side, write that in right side. Whatever we have in right side, write that in left side. Here you go. Finished. All four Maxwell relations are in your pocket. Okay, any questions asked from this for relations, you can easily substitute them and answer. Very simple, no need to get tensed. Simple perfect trick video, simple perfect trick video. If you are not able to remember this, repeat this 5 times. Simple perfect trick video from S, P, T and V. We can write the whole relations. Very simple. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.